Welcome to our video on finding affordable roof repair in Sacramento. In this informative guide, we will take you through the steps of finding reliable and cost-effective solutions for your roofing needs in the Sacramento area. Whether you have a minor leak, damaged shingles, or require a complete roof restoration, we've got you covered. The first step to any roof repair project is a thorough assessment and inspection. Our team of experts will carefully examine your roof to identify the extent of the damage and provide you with an accurate estimate. With our advanced tools and years of experience, we will ensure no underlying issues go unnoticed. Rest assured, we will find the most affordable and suitable repair options for your specific needs. Once the assessment is complete, we will present you with a range of repair options tailored to your budget. Our extensive network of suppliers allows us to offer cost-effective yet durable roofing materials. Whether you prefer asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or any other material, we will explain the pros and cons of each option, ensuring you make an informed decision. Our team of experienced roofing contractors is well-versed in a variety of repair techniques. They are equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to tackle any roofing challenge efficiently and effectively. Our commitment to delivering high-quality workmanship at an affordable price is what sets us apart. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We strive to exceed your expectations by providing top-notch service and ensuring that your roof is in excellent condition. We also offer guarantees on our work, giving you peace of mind that you're making a wise investment. Join the countless satisfied customers who have entrusted their roof repairs to us. Thank you for watching our video on affordable roof repair in Sacramento. Remember, a damaged roof can lead to more serious problems, so don't delay in getting it fixed. Contact us today for a free consultation and let our dedicated team of roofing experts take care of your needs. Together, we'll ensure your roof stays secure and your wallet remains happy. Click the link in the description for more information.